You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the national anthem of Ireland. If you want to learn more Irish pronunciations, including Irish names that many get confused by, stay tuned. I'll link to many videos for you that you can watch at the end of the video, meaning the soldier's song. The Irish pronunciation, there are slightly different ways, even in Ireland, to say it. Amhrán, Amhrán na bhFiann, Amhrán na bhFiann, or some pronounce it also as rather Amhrán, Amhrán na bhFiann, Amhrán na bhFiann. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.